Welcome to this demonstration of Domino Governance for model risk management. We're about to explore how Domino's solution can transform your approach to managing model risk in the era of AI and machine learning. Before we dive in, let's define model risk management, or MRM. It is the structured approach to assessing, mitigating, and monitoring risks associated with the development and use of models across an organization. MRM currently faces three critical challenges: disconnected development and documentation processes, complex sharing of models and code across teams, and difficulty tracking regulatory requirements. These inefficiencies increase risk of compliance failures. Domino Governance streamlines MRM by integrating MRM directly into the model development workflow, leveraging built-in reproducibility for complete audit trails, and providing clear visibility into governance policies and compliance monitoring across the organization. Today, we will explore the platform from the perspectives of two key individuals involved in the model development process. Shelley is a model developer. She has been tasked with creating a new mortgage credit approval model. Mike is a risk manager responsible for ensuring model governance and adherence to the model risk management policies. Let's jump in and see the platform in action. Watch Shelley as she logs into Domino to initiate her new project, a mortgage approval model. She names it appropriately and then takes a crucial step, selecting the relevant model risk management policy. This action generates a governance bundle for her project, ensuring compliance measures are integrated from the outset. Shelley proceeds to document the business case, detailing the model's purpose and expected benefits. She then submits it for review. We now transition to Mike's perspective, where he accesses the project and notices a pending review task. Upon inspection, Mike identifies a missing entry and rejects the review, returning it to Shelley for completion. Back to Shelley, we see she has addressed the missing items and finalized her model. Domino has automatically bundled all project artifacts, including code, exploratory data analysis images, results, and the model itself. Shelley then requests a final review from Mike, confident that her work adheres to the organization's MRM policies. Once approved, the model will be ready for deployment. As we have seen, Domino offers a comprehensive governance solution to tackle both current and future challenges in model risk management. Visit domino.ai today and discover more on how Domino can modernize your MRM practices.